Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling just what you need: straight sections, elbows, a T, and the one-way connector. Place the start node in view and locate the end node. Note the direction arrows so you know flow versus placement. Rotate the first pipe segment until its arrow points from the start node toward the path you intend. Once done, snap that first joint firmly. This anchors the system and prevents backtracking while you build the next runs. Now you route the middle runs. You must rotate each segment so arrows continue the flow. Avoid 180 degrees reversals that block progress. When you need a branch, add the T and place the one-way on the smaller branch to prevent backflow. Tighten joints as you add them so nothing shifts. Make sure cumulative bends don't create an impossible angle. If a piece won't fit, back up one segment and reorient. This saves time versus rebuilding from the start. To finish, connect the final segment so its arrow points directly into the end node and secure the joint. Initiate the flow test and observe. Flow should move cleanly, no leaks, no stops. If the system stalls or reverses, pause the test and inspect the one-way connectors first. They are the common culprit. Reseat any loose joints and rotate the offending piece 90 degrees or swap adjacent pieces. Once corrected, rerun the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.